जय हिंद स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अंजना's क्लास। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 12th की इंग्लिश बुक फ्लेमिंगो से पोएम कीपिंग क्वाइट के कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस और हम इनकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम पोएम कीपिंग क्वाइट which is written by Pablo Neruda. Question number 1. What can human beings learn from nature? A. Beauty. B. Keeping quiet. C. To be happy. D. Working with silence. The question says that what can human beings learn from nature? मनुष्य प्रकृति से क्या सीख सकते हैं? A. Beauty. B. Keeping quiet. C. To be happy. D. Working with silences. And the correct answer is D. Working with silence. शांति के साथ काम करना. Question number 2. What symbol from nature the poet uses to prove that keeping quiet is not total inactivity? किस प्रतीक की मदद से कवि यह साबित करना चाहता है कि शांत रहना पूर्णतया काम को बंद करना नहीं है, निष्क्रिय होना नहीं है? एंड आर ऑप्शंस आर ए सन, बी सॉइल, सी अर्थ, डी नेचर. एंड द करेक्ट डी नेचर एंड अर्थ. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी नेचर एंड अर्थ. Question number 3. Why is the poet asking everyone not to speak any language? A. To avoid noise. B. To avoid loud voices. C. To avoid people. D. To avoid conflicts and misunderstandings. And the correct answer is D. To avoid conflicts and misunderstandings. जब कवि ये कहता है कि हम कुछ भी ना बोलें, तो वह क्यों ऐसा कहता है? लोगों के बीच में प्रतिरोधों को टालने के लिए या रोकने के लिए वो ऐसा कहता है. Question number 4. What is poet's pen name? A. Neruda. B. Pablo. C. Pablo. D. Pablo Neruda. And the correct answer is D. Pablo Neruda. Question number 5. What does the style of the poem symbolize that the poet used to write with? A. Desires. B. Happiness. C. Hope. D. Desire and hope. And the correct answer is D. Desire and hope. Question number 6. What is the original language of the poem? पोएम को मूलतः किस भाषा में लिखा गया? A. English. B. French. C. Pali. D. Spanish. And the correct answer is D. Spanish. Question number 7. What is the essence or message of the poem? A. Introspection and retrospection to be more peaceful and be in harmony. B. To prosper. C. To be happier. D. To reach out more people. And the correct answer is A. Introspection, that is Atma Avlokan, and retrospection to be more peaceful and be in harmony. Question number 8. What does the poet feel is needed to be at peace? And the options are meeting with the people, B. talking with people, C. interaction with the people, and D. soul searching. And correct answer is D. soul searching. Question number 9. According to the poet, what creates barriers? कवि के अनुसार बाधाएं कौन बनाता है? A. interactions. B. reactions. C. fighting. D. languages. And the correct answer is D. languages. Question number 10. Why does the poet ask people not to speak? कवि लोगों से को बोलने से क्यों मना करता है? A. Because it creates noise. B. He doesn't like noise. C. It makes things unpleasant. D. Because it creates barriers or obstacles in the form of misunderstanding amongst people. And the correct answer is D. Because it creates barriers or obstacles in the form of misunderstanding amongst people. Question number 11. How many times does the poet urge each of us to count. A 14, B 11, 3 15, 4 12, and the correct answer is 12. Question number 12. What is the essence or message of the poem? A. Introspection and retrospection to be more peaceful and be in harmony. B. To prosper. C. To be happier. And D. To reach out more people. इस कविता का संदेश क्या है? And the correct answer is A. Introspection and retrospection to be more peaceful and be in harmony. Question number 13. What does the poet want on earth when no language is spoken? कवि इस पृथ्वी पर क्या चाहता है जब बिल्कुल भी कोई भी भाषा नहीं बोली जाएगी? And the correct answer is a moment of silence. Question number 14. His hurt hands is a poetic device. ये जो फ्रेज है hurt hands, तो स्टूडेंट्स देखिएगा इसमें जो कंसोनेंट है H, ये तीनों बार रिपीट हो रहा है तीनों वर्ड्स में, हिज हर्ट हैंड्स. सो इसमें पोइटिक डिवाइस होगी A. एंटीथेसिस, B. इमेजरी, C. रेपिटेशन, 4. alliteration. एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज alliteration. alliteration में कॉन्सोनेंट होता है, वो रिपीट होता है. Question number 15. Who will be safe in the sea? A. Whales, B. Orca, 3. Sharks, and 4. Dolphins. And the correct answer is whales. Question number 16. What does counting up to 12 signify and how will it help? जब 12 तक गिनी जाएगी तो यह क्या बताता है और ये किस तरह मदद करता है? A. Hours of the day. B. Months of a year. 3. It will help to create peace and harmony. And 4. All. And the correct answer is 4. All. Question number 17. What emotions does the silence help people overcome? शांत रहने से लोगों को की कौन सी भावना संयमित होगी? A. Sadness, B. Sorrow, C. Grief, and last one is despair. And the correct answer is sadness. Question number 18. Man needs to learn a lesson from. Option A. Moon. Option 2. Stars. Option 3. Earth. Option 4. Sun. And the correct option is option 3. Earth. Question number 19. According to the poet, wars that are fought have no. जो युद्ध लड़े जाते हैं उसमें क्या नहीं होता है? A. Soldiers. 2. Number 1. Soldiers. Number 2. Weapons. Number 3. Fighter planes. Number 4. Survivors. And the correct answer is number 4. Survivors. जब युद्ध लड़े जाते हैं तो आखिर में कोई भी नहीं बचता है. Question number 20. What images in the poem show that the poet condemns or hate violence? Number 1. Fishermen not harming whales. Number 2. Wars leaving behind no survivors to celebrate. Number 3. Poet's refusal to deal with death. Number 4. All these. And the correct answer is all these. Question number 21. Cold sea is a poetic device. Cold sea में कौन सी poetic device है? A. Number 1. Personification. Number 2. Imagery. Number 3. Metaphor. And number 4. Alliteration. And the correct answer is number 2. Imagery. Question number 22. Without rush, without engines is a poetic device. Without rush, without engine, इसमें कौन सी poetic device है? Number 1. Personification. Number 2. Imagery. Number 3. Repetition. And number 4. Alliteration. इसमें without word को repeat किया गया है तो इसमें पोइटिक डिवाइस होगी नंबर 3, रेपिटिशन. Question number 23. In the last stanza, the poet takes the example of earth to make us understand the importance of what? And our options are kindness, perseverance, patience, and courage. And the correct answer is perseverance. Question number 24. What can teach us everything? What can teach us everything? And our options are earth, heavens, mankind, and planet. And the correct answer is earth. तो स्टूडेंट इस तरह से हमने पोएम कीपिंग क्वाइट के कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस किए. सो देयर इज अ लास्ट क्वेश्चन. द पोएम कीपिंग क्वाइट is written by, and the correct answer is Pablo Neruda. So students, do write these questions and answers in your notebook and learn and read again and again. Thank you very much.